Hi friends, I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts. If you have kids at home, this is a great dinner, especially if you have picky eaters, because I've fed this dish many times to a bunch of picky eating kids and they loved it. So I think you really probably need to go with the regular spaghetti for picky kids and not maybe a whole grain, but just the nice durum wheat spaghetti. You're going to just use a head of broccoli, a bunch of broccoli, cut it up kind of smaller, and then a little bit of the earth balance, or a lot of the earth balance, sort of depending on the kids. And then you're going to use like garlic and salt, basically, or if you have some other blends of seasonings, garlic seasonings, I think Lawry's makes a nice garlic salt blend, and that's it. Just sort of taste. It's simple, but it's good and everyone really does like it. So I'm gonna just get this all going and probably gonna use Okay, the trick to making this real simple for you too is to read the package directions on your pasta and then set your timer for those that amount of time. But when you've about 6-7 minutes out, throw in the broccoli, and then everything will be, you want everything to be cooked around the same time. Make sure your pasta is, I would maybe make it more a little bit on the, like this said 11 to 13 minutes, so I'm not going to try putting it in for 13 minutes, and then when I've got like 6 minutes left, I'll throw in my broccoli and then drain it, and then you just stick whatever amount of butter you want to use back in the pan, which is going to be hot, and then toss everything in with your seasonings. It's that simple. You can do it. You can feed some picky kids and have something healthy with the broccoli in there. I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts. It is good and it's good for you. Thanks for watching.